When you're building a business, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by all the marketing advice out there. But the truth is, every successful strategy starts with just a few essentials. These 5 foundational tools form the core of your marketing plan, the ones that help you get found, build trust, and connect with the customers who matter most. First, your website. It's your home base, where customers learn who you are, what you offer, and why it matters. Next, email marketing. It's direct, personal, and one of the highest ROI channels a small business can use. Social media helps you show up consistently, build community, and stay connected with your audience. Reputation management is your credibility engine. Reviews and local listings shape the first impression customers see. And finally, thought leadership and personal branding. Sharing your expertise builds trust and positions you as the go-to voice in your industry. When these 5 essentials work together, they give your startup the foundation it needs to grow with clarity, confidence, and purpose.